Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Frankfort, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to hire long-distance movers, with us, you get the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Getting the right long-distance movers makes a pretty big difference. Our team of movers will help you relocate faster and easier. Whether you're ready to move to a new state or all the way across the country, we can help you. If you're looking for a Kentucky moving company, you're making a smart decision. Even though it's a local move, you still have a ton of work to do. No matter how far you're going, you have to handle all the heavy lifting or hire movers to do it for you. 3 Movers offers the right local moving services for your needs. We streamline the entire process to help you move faster and easier. With us, you can save a ton of time and energy. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Frankfort moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.